Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to create a photo album in Google Photos using 4 or 5 pictures. First, open Google Photos in your web browser and sign in to your Google account. From the left side, click on Photos. Now select the photos you want to add to the album. You can choose 4 or 5 photos, or even more if you want. After selecting the photos, click the plus Add to button at the top of the page. A menu will appear. From that menu, click Album. Next, click New Album. A new album will be created. At the top, enter a name for your album. For example, you can type Family Photos, Trip Memories, or any title you like. After entering the title, click Done. Your album is now created and all the selected photos are saved inside it. To view the album later, click Collections from the left side and then Open Albums. You will find your newly created album there. You can also add more photos to the album anytime by opening the album and clicking Add Photos. That's it. This is the easiest way to create a photo album in Google Photos with 4 or 5 pictures. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Google Photos tutorials.